Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. I am at Fabrica Hill, it's the mall over there, because just heard late yesterday evening that walkway is now open. The mayor published a picture of it, all nicely lit up. So I thought I'd come down this morning and walk on it. I've parked, there's a little car park just off the dual carriageway. Empty at the moment. And from there it's just a short walk up the hill to one of the entrances. Well, I hope it is, because I've never been here when it's open before. Some new excavations there. Anyway, I don't want to get distracted. If you've never been to Fabrica Hill, it's kind of like an extension to the archaeological park. It's free to enter. I'm going to ignore that sign saying keep out, because it's published by the mayor himself. It's now open to the public. So here we go. You do get a nice view of Fabrica Hill ruins. Over there, there's lots of caves. Oh, there's a dog over there. Looks like it's got a big lump of wood. And there's a view towards Uoscapu. Very well made, this thing is. I mean, for years it's been a bit of a rust bucket, because the original company making it, I believe they went bust and someone else stepped in, and all you could see was the outer shell. But now there's an inner walkway as well, and below that they've even got some nice gravel. I don't know if you can see that on the film. Up here to have a quick look at the lighthouse. That's on the actual archaeological park itself. The arty shot of the route already taken. Yes, as I said, the mayor published a picture of this all lit up, and it looks very pretty at night. However, at night you won't be able to see anything, so I thought I'd come down during the day to film it. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, if you're wondering why none of the coffee shops in the mall are open yet. Now, during the height of the day, I imagine it'll get rather hot here. Not sure what this metal framework will get like, but bear that in mind. And if you've just gone through the archaeological park and are walking along here at the end of that, make sure you've got some drinks with you, because by the time you got to here, you will definitely have a thirst. There's a mysterious box. Right. Let's stop for a view of the roundabout. That's not a very common view. Well, it will be now though. go over here as well. Very nice. And keep going round. Right, the area we're coming up to now is in the archaeological park itself. Now the good thing about this walkway is it will hopefully tempt people to come from the lighthouse area and the amphitheatre and all the murals to here. The reason I say that's a good thing is because just on the other side of the fence here is an area called Tumpulos, which, excuse the pronunciation by the way. That area gets far too few visitors, and it's probably in the top 3 places to visit in the park, in my opinion. So if you're coming to walk across this bridge from the archaeological park, make sure you go into Tumpulos as well, and don't miss out on Saranta Colonnas while you're here, which is the 40-column fortress, and also another place that gets overlooked by a lot of visitors to the archaeological park. So much more to it than just the murals. Oh, it's not. I've never had this view before. There's some interesting rocks down there. Unfortunately, that gets very overgrown. And across the way there is the Lighthouse Beach. Although I'll walk back to where I parked now and take photographs so I can mix that with this film. I may even shoot the drone up. Yes, there's no sign on this side saying keep out, so I feel vindicated by my decision to ignore the one on the other side. They've obviously just left it there, rather like the Christmas decorations that sometimes go down in February. Oh, there's a toilet there as well. That's useful to know. For me, more than you, but we won't go into that. So there you have it. As I said, there's the archaeological park over there. If you go through that gate, it'll be that I don't know what the policy about readmissions is, but if you go through that gate, I imagine it'll be the last thing you'll see. So make a point of going to Tumpulos before you do so, just over the other side of that hill. And as far as I can say, I think they've done a good job on this finally. Took them a long time, but there you have it. Cheers.